Today we are going to examine one of the requirements of forming a legally valid contract, and that requirement is that there must be an intention to create legal relations. So the parties must have an intention, they must intend to create legal relations so that a contract is valid. So in this area the law makes two presumptions, and one of them is that social agreements between family members and friends are not enforceable by courts. Imagine your father promises to buy you a car if you behave well, and he does not end up buying it. This is not something that can be really enforced by the courts, because the law presumes that these are social agreements and are not enforceable by courts. Secondly, there is a presumption that agreements which happen in commercial settings between people who are not family members or people who do not belong to the same family, these agreements are enforceable in the court of law. So of course these are the two presumptions of the law. It does not mean that it is always like that. Indeed, these presumptions can be rebutted, which that means that family members can make business arrangements. It is perfectly legal for them, and they can really make these business arrangements and make contracts and make those contracts legally binding. Also, it can be rebutted that commercial agreements can also be made using the owner clause only. That means that those agreements stand because of the owner of the people involved, and they are not enforceable in courts. So those are that is now the intention to create legal relations. So thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe.